Hi, I'm Sumit, a CS student from United Warangal. Today we are going to see how to set up anti-gravity in our PC. Along with that, we'll create a small project using the AI models provided by anti-gravity, which is exclusively free and we don't need to pay anything for that. We just need to give a small prompt and the AI agent will
and
do all the tasks
type
for us.
Google Antigravity and you'll land to this web page. After coming here, according to your PC, you can download Antigravity. I'll go to this section. After coming in here, we can see if you have a Mac OS, you can go through this link and window from this Linux from this. So I have window. So I'll go here. I'll do it as download. Okay, our anti-gravity is getting download. You can see our anti-gravity has been downloaded. So now we need to accept some term and condition to in order to install anti-gravity in our PC. So we accept the agreement. We don't need to worry about any security because it is a product of Google and we can blindly trust the Google. Next, they are saying where to set up anti-gravity is better to install in your C drive. So it will ask less permission more than if you will install in D drive, it will ask lots of permission. Would you like to install to folder? We should allow this. Yes. We'll go next. Okay. We'll create a desktop icon and add Open Gravity action to the Window Explorer. We don't need that. Also, we'll click to next. And now this last step install. Okay, it is being installed in our PC. After a moment, we'll enjoy the vibe coding. You can see it has been downloaded and now we'll finish it. Now we'll come back to our home screen. This is how anti-gravity looks like. It is similar to VS Code. If you have used VS Code, you can compare that the environment, the UI of anti-gravity is same as a VS Code because they are being made by integrating like a collaboration or kind of thing similar to that. Anti-gravity is based on UI of VS Code. Here are the agents which anti-gravity provides, and they are autonomous. Like if you just give a prompt, they will make even a folder, file, and create coding. You have to just allow what changes you want to make. If they will ask, do you want to make a changes or not? After a moment, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, these are the agents. We have the section open agent managers. Here you can see the detail about what kind of agents they provide. These are my previous chart. If you install newly, they will ask you to sign up or sign in. Okay, we'll come in models. Okay, you can see here. Here are the Gemini 3.1 Pro, 3.1 Low, Flash, Cloud Sonnet, Cloud Opus. These are the models that Antigravity provide you free. And if you have taken the Gemini Pro plan, they that you can use these AI agent more frequently. Like the limits will be more higher. Gemini 3. Gemini Pro, like Gemini Pro was being provided free for the college student a month or about 3 to 4 months before. So if you have purchased, you can enjoy this AI models without limits. Here are the AI credits and okay, let's go and create some project. For creating a project, first we'll make one file folder, and after that we'll give a prompt. We'll come here and we'll go anywhere like go in web dev. We'll create a new folder called anti-gravity. We'll open it. We came to this folder. Now, after coming in this, I'll show you how it actually works. You just need to give a prompt here. Just give a prompt here, detailed prompt, and it will make for you what kind of things you want. Okay. Without wasting time, I will give the prompt. Our prompt has been ready, and we'll just send to AI model to work on it. Based on our performance, we can choose our AI model. Like if we want to do high performing, high intelligence required task, then we can use the Claude. And if we want a little bit medium or moderate or low kind of task, then we can use Gemini 3.0 Pro, low, high, and that's all. Let's give the prompt and let's see the result. As you can see, it's working on our content. You can see that it is making our files index. It means our index file, and it asks us to accept change. So we accepted the change, and their CSS folder also it made. Now it's done for JavaScript. It's made a JavaScript also, and we can see it completed our whole project just by a single prompt. Now we'll see the result it have made. How the project, how the result, what the result is after just giving a single prompt. Let's go. Oh, bro, is really stunning. What the fuck it have made, yeah? Infinity Saga. Let's explore. Okay, there due to some issue, we are unable to see the posters. Iron Man, Incredible Hulk, Iron Man 2, Thor, Captain America, Avengers, Iron Man 3, Thor, Dark World, Captain America. These are the movies named of MCU. Internals, Thunderbolt, and Fantastic Four. Oh, see the background, what the background it have made. So you can also enjoy making these websites just by a single prompt using anti-gravity. Okay, you can see like that also. Fine. Okay, that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.